Hi, it's Tara from Jula Design Studio, and today I'm going to show you how to use my elf flying license and customize it in Canva for your own personal use to print. You can also use this to sell licenses to some of your customers. So you're going to end up downloading a PDF. Inside this PDF, you're going to want to click on the Canva link. If you do not have a Canva account already, you're going to have to sign up for an account. It's free. And it's actually lots of fun to use. So you will get this screen, and what you need to do is say use template. So Canva is going to open up this file in your template now. So now you're going to be able to click on the file in all these different areas and edit and change the information. So first of all, I'm Canadian, so I want license to be spelt with the C. So you can change the spelling of it. You can change your elf's name. So you just click in there and start typing. Let's say my elf is Candy Cane. You can click on here and move it around wherever you would like it. I'll keep the address the same. I'm going to say it's a male. I'm going to keep all these the same, but you can just double click in them and change. I'm going to change the height to be 25 centimeters and 1 kilogram. And I'm going to put in here the issued date. So I'm going to put the date that the elf came to our house. So let's say that date is going to be November 15th, 2021. That's when it's coming to our house. And this elf is assigned to Jessica and Lindsay. All right, those are kids' names. So I've got this, so now all I need to do is add my photo. So I have a photo of my elf already uploaded here, but you would just say upload media, and you would go on your computer to the proper location to find your actual elf picture to upload. Once it's uploaded, all you need to do is click it, and it's going to go into your design. Mine is gone behind my text, which is a little bit harder to grab, but that's okay. You can crop your design really simply in Canva. So what I want to do is make sure that it's big enough to go over top of this square, and then I'm going to hit Control C, Control V, because I'm going to copy it again, and I'm going to size it small, and it's going to make it big enough to go over this square. And the last thing we have to do is just send these to the back. So I right click and I say send to back. Oops, right click, send to back. I hit send backwards. You want it to go all the way to the back. Okay, and same with this one, right click, send to back. Okay, so now they are behind. So this is now set up how I like it. I can change the number here if I have multiple licenses. I can change the hair color, the sex, date of birth. I can give them a birthday. Let's say December 5th, 2021 or 2020, and then move it where I want it. You could have a good birthday party for your elf. You can zoom in. I'm hitting Control and the mouse button. If you want to line up a little nicer, it gives you a little bit more flexibility. So we're going to go to page 2. All of this is editable, all the words. You can match your license number. You can put whatever special conditions. You can put something funny in here like this messes will not be cleaned up, or expect lots of mischief, whatever you like. So once you're done, you're going to download this as PNG, and it's going to download and save a copy into your downloads directory on your computer. So if you right click down here on your browser, you can open the location. So I have lots of these downloaded. So in my downloads, mine's in my downloads, I have it here. So it's copy of elf flying. So you're going to want to extract this. So I right click, say extract all. And then I'm going to find the file again. Sorry, my computer's being slow. Second, go view details. So I have the copy of the elf flying license right here, and you'll see that both of these files are available. they're ready for you to use. So right now I would follow my other tutorials on how to print a Santa driver's license, and that will tell you how to print it, how to size it, and how to use it. You can set this up to, actually I'll just show you really quickly on Canva if I want to create now a printable file. So I'm going to just say create a design at, I want a letter. Where's letter? Well, you know what? We can do a custom size because I can't find it right now. So I'm going to do 8.5 by 11. That's all I really want. I want it to be a it is there as a letter, but so this is a printable piece of paper for me. So I'm going to go upload. I'm going to upload my designs from that I just created with the information in it. I'm going to add them both to my paper. So now I have the back and the front. Oops, I don't want to turn it. Back in the front. So what you would do now is you would measure how big you want this to print out. So if I'm printing it and laminating it, that is totally fine. And you can do whatever size you want, just make sure they're the same. So when I'm dragging this, you can see the width and the height here. So let's do it 4 inches wide. Why not? You can choose whatever size you want. Make them both the same. There we go. And then you can align them nicely so that they print sort of together. You can zoom in. I zoomed in too far. You can zoom in down here to get yourself more control over it. But if I'm printing this and laminating it, I would want to do it like this. And then I would make a bunch of them. If you wanted to have more than one, if you have one for each kid, if you want, and then you print it and print and laminate. If you want to sublimate it, you would follow the sublimation tutorial and size it appropriately as well. You're welcome to use any other software to do this. The reason I choose Canva is because it's free and it allows you to change the text easily. So you would download this now, and I would download this as a PDF print, and that will be my file that I am printing out. Anyways, I hope this helps and enjoy.